So copyright or trademark, which will protect your brand? People often confuse trademarks and copyrights. While it's true that their protection can overlap, the two have very distinct features. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about copyright versus trademark and which one you should pick if you want to protect your brand identity. So keep watching. So what is copyright? So copyright law is an intellectual property protection for original works. So basically, if you're a creator and you have created a work of art, which could be music, photography, literature, novel, anything like that, that can be copyrighted. What is a trademark? A trademark is a form of intellectual property protection that covers, among other things, words, images, sounds, or other elements that distinguish a company's goods and services from another company's. So there is not much confusion in users' mind. So how long is protection granted for each case? Copyrights usually last for author's life, so let's say around 70 years. Trademark protection, on the other hand, lasts for a period of 10 years and you have to renew it. So which one will protect your logo? Copyrighted law needs to have a minimum of some sort of creativity and originality. So although copyright law original requirement is not very strict, not all logos can claim to be original, therefore can be protected by copyright. Also, many logos are solely composed of artistic works. In fact, copyright law does not protect elements such as words, slogans, colors, fonts, which are the elements often used to distinguish brands within the industry. This means that if you rely upon copyright law to protect your branding, you most likely will only be partially protected. So copyright prevents plagiarism, while trademark prevents consumer confusion. So consumer confusion is the reason why some companies are able to exist even though they have the same name. So I used to work for a company called IDEC, which manufactured industrial automation products. And then there was another company called IDEC, which was a biomedical company. So even though both companies have exactly the same name, they were able to coexist. So which one should you go for? So if your goal is to create a kick-ass brand and kick-ass identity, trademark is your best option because copyright will only partially protect it, and you want to trademark your branding, your logo, and all your stuff. So when consumer thinks about your company, they have a certain perception and they know this is the brand and this is what your company sells. So nobody else can use the same product and create a customer confusion that the customer wonders, like, is this the same company if it's not? So if you want to create distinctive brand, kick-ass identity, and get people to understand what your company is, trademark is your best option. And I also want to say I am not a lawyer. This is the information that I've gathered for my own purposes through blogs and videos and so on and so forth. So if you are looking to pick one or the other, I would highly recommend do consult your lawyer. Like, this video is just for educational purposes, so you have some place to start and move forward. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, do leave them in the form of a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer. So thank you very much for your time and rock on.